All right, so next thing what we're going to do is a carpet inspection. What you're simply going to do is just go ahead and lift the carpet from underneath this panel that's here. You can actually pick it up, lift it, and you can pull it back. All right, and you can see exactly what's going on under your carpet. All right, so let's take a look-see here at the bottom of this carpet. This is actually what's holding in all the moisture. So if your Jeep has a musty, damp smell, yes, it's the carpets, but as well, this part here is completely soaked, as you can see. The top was dry, but the inside here is wet. And although this is dry as well, too, this just shows us that water has been accumulating underneath the carpet. All right, so now I've gone ahead and removed this piece here, and you can see it's just on with a bunch of glue, but this is the other side of the carpet, and we'll go ahead and inspect the driver's side to see exactly what we have. The customer has said that there is a leak as well on the driver's side, so we're going to go ahead and inspect that as well. Once you take this out, you're simply going to take it, throw it away. Inspect underneath your carpet to make sure that you don't have water under there. There's this white insulation deal that's here, so we pulled that out. That stuff was actually soaked. I'll show you exactly what it looks like. This is what was under there, and this stuff was soaked. And then what also happens is that this makes mold, and you don't even realize that this is underneath your carpet, and this just becomes a big nasty mess, as you can see. So inspect your carpets, inspect underneath to make sure that it's nice and dry. And if you have anything that looks nasty or whatever like this, just get it right out of your Jeep, and then just allow your carpet to air dry. You can just take something, even if it's wet, just prop it up and just let it naturally air dry. A lot of people talk about, well, all I'll do is remove the drain plugs. Those are the drain plugs which are being referred to in terms of if they have water in their Jeep. And yes, that is true, but these drain plugs, with them being in, is not allowing water out. And even if they're out, the water is just staying inside this carpet and creating just a bad situation, including mold.